Good morning. It is Thursday, January 27th, 2022. My name is Michael Leizerman, and this is Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. Today it's from Eldon Rosenthal's The Plaintiff Lawyer's Playbook. Try reading your pleading to a non-lawyer before filing. Rewrite sentences that your listener does not understand. Yeah, Eldon Rosenthal, interesting lawyer. He's done some important work. Look up his bio on the Trial Guide's website. And that's great advice to make your pleadings plain language. Read them to somebody else that's not a lawyer. And consider, even as a start, I read all of my pleadings out loud because something might sound right in my head as I write it or as I'm reading over what someone else wrote. But just reading it out loud, sometimes the rhythm isn't right or the word order. I find that very helpful. So if you have a hint of something practical like that to make a pleading, a motion, a filing with the court more accessible, put it in the comments. Let's share. All right, how you doing today? Another great day to be alive. Take a deep breath. And let's commit to leaving the world a better place today. We never know when it will be our last day. I hope I live many years and decades, and there's no guarantee. So if this were my last day, I hope that my actions today do good in the world, that my interactions with others are kind and compassionate, sometimes fierce and compassionate, but that's okay. You know, in the work we do, being lawyers, it's an adversarial process. And still, I want to give the other side the benefit of the doubt. I want to be courteous and not just professional. But if I can win my case and blast the other side and cause them harm, or if I can win my case and not harm the other side, or harm them as least as possible, other than losing the case for them, um, but without personal attacks, without making their life miserable, then that's what I want to do. And what's nice is almost always doing the right thing, doing the kind thing, the compassionate action actually lines up with what's best for our client and for the case. So I've given up what I used to do early in my career, which was fight about every discovery item and fight about every extension. And now I'll fight when it matters and not when it doesn't. Yeah. All right. Well, let's move into the day with 3 bells. You know, I do this every day, and because that's the part of how I start my meditation practice, sitting and still in silence to just watch my breaths and be in the moment, to notice how I am in the world. Because if I can't notice my thoughts and feelings before they arise, then I can't keep myself from that angry response, right? It's all knowing thyself, it's knowing ourselves. So I'm going to ring 3 bells. And if you have a meditation practice, if you have a prayer practice, if you have something that helps you get in touch with the divine, with the oneness of the universe, then do that. And if you don't, that's fine. Let the sound of the bells take you into the day and remind you to be kind. You can be fierce and compassionate. Do good things. Advocate for justice for your clients and leave the world a better place. May it be so. Have a great Thursday.